What's up, my Sigma boys? Hey, Profan, lucky that I'm home, because I stayed home because I fell accidentally, but I'm fine as a Sigma mod. Okay, bro, okay. Okay, homie. Okay, alright. So, my Sigma boys, let's go working. So, I fixed yesterday's problems, and today we can start making what we did yesterday. So, let me show what I made. Now, when we collect our orbs, we get XP, and it saves in our data for each player. As you see, XP1 level 1, XP2 level 1, let's go. And I made a leveling system, let's go. XP7 level 1. 1 second. Did you fix buttons on menu, or will do it much later? Later, bro. We need to focus on other parts of the game. Now I have more important things to fix, so we'll make that. Okay, great. So XP level 2, great. So leveling system I made. But what I want to see. So let's move something. I think we can from game manager move character spawner. Yeah, because this is not subclass of game manager. We can move map generator, because this is also not subclass of game manager. Just map name, yeah, like this one. Let's make a folder map service, map system, maybe system. Player controllers, character spawner, also in-game data. This is player data, okay. Player controllers, in-game data. Also map system, map generator, and orb generator. So game manager, player teleporter, also not a subclass. Yeah, like this. Let's move it in player controllers. Character spawner, in-game data. Player teleporter. Okay, like this. Will be more organized, I think. Hi, hello, welcome. So, maybe player controllers. Yo, bro, remember I said I'm going to make a game. Yes, bro, hello. So you already started making that? Let's make a better folder for in-game player data. Like this. Will be more organized. Yeah. Player controllers. Maybe guys. Character spawner. And heroes will be, wait, game, what is role picker? Role picker, this is not all also, wait. So only a game manager, only game manager. This is subclass for, not, there is not. How do you make a game? Just by using my hands, bro. Hello, welcome. My Roblox Studio won't open, so I can't make a game anymore. Why, bro? Why it's not open? Character spawner, player teleporter, role picker. Oh, anyway, probably we can put something here. I'm not sure why. That's sad, bro. That's sad. Okay, map system. This is map generator, orb generator, and orb controller. Okay. Game player data. Let's make. I know. Player system. Here's will be character spawner and in-game player data, and also player data, of course, we place here. Map system, game manager, team system. What is team system? Maybe we don't need a team. Yeah, we don't need probably that. So here's all responsible for our player and character. Yeah, this is more organized, but of course we need to change everything. So let's open that. Oh, wait. No, it doesn't work like so. We need to call new. We need to change destination for these scripts. In-game manager, probably. In-game manager. Let's open that. And spawners, we don't need. Game team survivors. Okay. So role picker here. Probably a role picker will be also here. Yeah. I have added you to edit on my game, so if you want you can edit. For what, bro? For what? I'm making only my projects, bro. I'm making only my projects. But thank you for that. Thank you, bro. But I'm focused only on my projects. Okay, probably team system we don't need. Probably. Okay, player system. Player system, this is probably like yeah, all for players. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We need character spawner. Find character spawner. Yeah, survivor spawner and monster spawner we need. Let's create a variable local player system. Player system, replicated storage, services. Okay, let's create a variable for services. Local services. Yeah. Replicated storage, services. Player system, services, player system. Player system. And inside here, my boys, inside here we can get survivor spawner. This is player system, survivor, character spawner, monster, like this one. Yeah. Okay. So this is done. Okay. About these ones, yeah, we need to move it. Of course, we need to move all of that. Okay, player system. This is player system character spawner. Okay, let's create maybe character spawner. Yeah, like this, local character spawner. Player system character spawner will be like this. Survivor. So character spawner, we just group that by using this one. Okay. Player teleporter, where it is. Character spawner. Oh, player teleporter. Wait, maybe we don't need, really, we just use only one script here. Really, don't need the folders, guys. We don't need the folders. Player data controller. Let's make like so better. Let's make like so. Player system. And player system survivor. It will be more clear and organized. Of course, character spawner we need here. And monster. Let's go, my boys. Let's go. So, okay. We need what? Role picker. Okay, role picker will be here. This is player teleporter will be here. In-game data. What is in-game data? We don't need that. We use that not here. Okay, role picker. Role picker. Player system. Role picker. Like this. Player teleporter also. Player system, player teleporter. Like this. So this will be together. Right? Yeah, like so. We can group that. So, okay. Map system. Services. Map system. Map generator. This is. And orb generator. Yeah, nice. And timer, script timer. Yeah. Wait. We don't need a game manager, by the way. Game manager, timer. Yeah, we we don't need these two parameters. Okay, timer can be here. Why not? Why not? Timer can be here inside this one. Okay, player data. Player data. Also inside player system. Player data. By the way, we need player data somewhere. We don't need it at all. Why I use that? For nothing, absolutely. Yeah, this is pretty strange that I decided to use that here. Okay, so services, player system, map system, right? We need here only. Okay. Yeah, like this. Okay, so in-game data. In-game data. Let's see where we use that. In-game data. Survivor data. Okay, let's make it like so. Script. Parent. How are you? Hi bro, I'm good, thank you. Okay, survivor data. This is our controller. Oh yeah, wait, no, that's bad. Okay, let's local player system equals replicated storage services player system, and here's player system in-game data survivor data, right? Survivor data, yeah, we have that. Nice. Okay, this is for orb controller only. YouTube unofficial moderation. That's funny, bro, that's funny. Okay. So character spawner, role picker we use in player day. Okay, let's try. We see all problems here. Okay, yeah, player data controller, of course. Player data. Okay, player system, local player system, replicated storage services, player system. Player system, player data, like this. Yeah, nice. Oh yeah, of course. Player data, get data. So looks like work. Looks like we fixed all bugs. This is not a problem. Yeah, nice, all work. So now we separated all parts, all the services on different folders, and really easy to control now. So game manager, map system, Oh, let's try to take orbs, by the way. Okay, great, all works. Nice. Let's take another one. Nice, all works. Okay, great. Okay, also about orbs and about XP levels, and that's it. I realized that we can optimize that better. We can optimize that. This is orb generator. Size is not valid. Member of model workspace dungeon template of model. Oh yeah, wait. So it tries area of the part. This is absolutely scaring me, all of that. We'll remake that later, of course, boys, because it looks not like it should be. If, okay, if part type of part equal to model, then return. Okay, what is it? This is loop. Okay, then continue and like this. Probably this is remove all errors from here. I wanna see how much XP we have. Select children. What? Select children. This is pretty interesting. Why it's less than 200? It should be 200. Probably wow, I like the game. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Self max orbs, probably. Orbs needed. Orbs needed. So 200 minus 100, for example, or 0. It should create 200 at the beginning. Self XP container. So should be 200 at the beginning when we spawn, but it's not, probably. $61. Why it generates only 61? I don't know. Okay, we'll fix that later. It's just not a big deal, at least for now. Okay, so we put everything here, and that's it. Yo, I came after so many days. Welcome, welcome, bro. Hello. So. let's how's the game going? Great, bro, great. Let's see what we need to make also. Team survivors, leveling system. Okay, player system. Like in-game data. Wait, looks like I changed something. Oh yeah, what the hell? I changed a lot. You got a nice jacket. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, what the hell? For the monster we don't make anything here. Yeah, let's make all of that. Monster data. Except levels we need to make. Let's copy all of that. Let's copy all of that. Except levels, we don't have levels, and let's put player item. Of course, we need to make players, monster data players, like here. And copy all of that and put it here like this, except levels, of course. Monster data players we need to put here. Set default, make like before. Okay, like this one. Monster data inside let's see, maybe stats or something we changed, like abilities here and abilities here. No, looks like we have the same here. Maybe counters in monster and counters here. Oh yeah, of course. I forget return self here. And what about maybe stats? Let's check both. The same, great. So looks like all should work. Let's try to play with couple of players. Let's go in game manager. We need to replace this and put role picker. Take this, survivor spawn, cell spawners. Oh wait, what the hell? Survivor spawner. Wait. Monster spawner and survivor spawner. Character spawner, let's open that. Survivor spawner. Oh yeah, this is also a very important part. We need to remove from here all of that. And now when we call our survivor.new or monster.new, we need in constructor make all of that. So let's take all of these things and replace that with this one. course type monster. Okay, like so. Go to spawn. Let's make like so better. Survivor. Oh, wait. Monster. Oh, okay, okay. Spawn. Okay, so in-game data we don't set here. Let's check the difference. Create leader stats, add light, collisions. Okay, died status. This is for. Yeah, all of that we can remove. Set in game data just. Let's copy this method. Put it here, like monster data dot new. And here is self after. Oh wait, wait. We need to replace a lot of things here. We don't need a data here. Yeah, because we already called that here. So let's take that. Self item. Just replace this line. Hello, welcome, bro. Self character. Self create character. Like this. Self item ID. Self texturize. We don't need any arguments here. This just delete. Player delete. All of that delete. And in game data. Oh, we already called that. Yeah, like here. Okay, nice. Set in game data. I'm making Minecraft. Yes, bro, Minecraft. Okay. Okay, yeah, and from all methods we need to remove variables. Create character. Here's remove all of that. Here's remove all of that. Hi Noel, welcome, bro. Welcome. Looks complicated. Is it math? No, bro, this is Roblox. Okay, let's start with first one where we have some errors. Create character. Let's take that. Create character. Player character. Self player character. Just take that. Self models. Item name clone. I know how to make that better. Like so better. Yeah, like did you go to college to be a Minecraft developer? No, bro. I just found all information in internet. Self player character. Self character. Vertical texture. Like this. Add light. Add light with. Wait. Oh yeah, we have a light here, of course. Self character. Oh, that's very impressive. How much it costs to learn all of that? 0, bro, 0. This is all free information, bro. I found and I just learned all of that. All these stream series, bro, show you that you can do things with no money, bro. So just for free. Create leader stats. Wait, what is leader stats? Oh, I have leader stats, yeah. Create leader stats, okay. Self player. Set collisions. Self character. Self character. With highlighters. Self character. Set hi, hello, welcome. Okay. Set stats, yeah, set stats. Set stats. Okay, local stats we need to add here. Self item stats. And self character only here, like this. Great, nice. So let's move it here. Let's open this. Okay, let's try survivor monster. Looks like all works, all should work. Let's try. What time is it in your region? 4 p.m. bro, 4 p.m. Okay, let's try. Oh wait, of course we need the spawners. No, no. We need to spawn like so. Yeah, like this. Survivor spawner and monster spawner. Dot new. Like this. Because we need to create a new, to call new constructor everything for each player. Okay, let's open output. Okay. Okay, I'm a monster. Great. By the way, let's try if I can take orbs. No, I can't. Great. Okay, let's try this game for several players. For example, 2. Let's try, my boys. Let's try. Nice. Great. Kills damage level. Kills Let's see what we have here. Chosen survivor. Okay, different data. Great. For currency. Great. This is two different data for two players. Okay, but I'm very interested. Kills damage level. Why this guy has level? Well, this guy has killed damage. Oh, level kills damage. Oh, yeah, I know, guys. Because this is top for everyone. As you see, monsters don't have any levels at all. This is great. This is great. So we can collect XP orbs. Let's check if they have different stats. If they have different stats, we need to go to the server. Go to C Ninja. Humanoid health 45. What about zombie? 10,000. Great. What about walk speed? 15. Ninja 2773. Great. Amazing. All works. Nice. Let's try to run this game like 4 players. Okay, so one guy should be why neutral, so many players, because maybe they're not too fast to upload. Yeah, probably. Server, let's see. Oh yeah, I know, guys, I know what's the problem here. Yeah, my bad, because I didn't reset the data for these two guys. Okay, let's make like so. Let's open our assets. We need to wipe the data for all our test guys. Like this. -3. -4. -5. -6. -7. -8. -9. How much maximum we have? 8. Okay. And we need just test this game on 8 players. Let's go. Just to save new data for all of these players. Just when they uploaded, we can close all of that because we need just to set new data, because before my data looks different, and now we need just to erase the data and set new one, because it tries to find through all tables always, and we don't need to have the same data like before, because I reorganize a little bit all the tables. Oh my god, how much guys is here. Okay, so this guy done. Also. Okay. This is server, right? Yeah. And we can close all of that. And now let's try to start again, but not 8 players, match 4 probably. Let's try. So probably all should have roles here. Yeah, probably I'll make something like a wait amount of players which will be teleported. Anyway, one guy for some reason can't teleport. Okay, we add some things which control all of that later. Not a big deal. Some checks and some waits until all players will be loaded. And okay, anyway, it's worked, and that's great. That's great. That's it's work. Okay. So can I? Yeah, it can be a monster. But what if I use this one? Because for tests, probably I can do like so. Yeah, I'm survivor. Great. Okay, that's great. That it's like so. Okay, let's see what we make. In-game data, survivor data, levels. So leveling system. This we don't need at all. And by the way, I fixed a lot of things. Like we don't increase twice always. Yeah, we don't increase twice our things, our levels, XP. Yeah, like this. How old are you? I'm 27, bro. Yeah, one more thing for levels. We need update levels to upgrade. We need to do something here. Probably we just call that. Okay, wait. I wanna see what is self data levels. Self data levels. Let's see. Self data levels. Oh, levels to upgrade. Yeah, we have this parameter. So this is easy to change that. Let's just make like this one. Plus equal 1. Here. Here's the add level to upgrade. And remove. Level to upgrade -1. We don't need the value at all here. And just when we add self, add level to upgrade. But when we call, when we upgrade, we just call remove level to upgrade. So this one. Maybe we need to make some checks or not. Okay, maybe later, maybe we don't need, like if it equals to 0 and so on. Maybe later. Okay, my boys. Let's now connect that with what? This is in-game data. This is only on server, of course. This is only on server. This is player system, map system, secret system. Let's separate how we made all of that. Because leveling system, it was here, right? Right. Survivor UI. Just let's place like this. Yeah, punch system. Fun, your face come froze. Thank you, bro. Thank you for reporting that. One second. Okay, nice. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Noel, for reporting that. Let's see. So this is not teams. This is just maybe a survivor and monster. Okay, maybe monster controller and survivor controller. There's like UI and some other things. Okay, wait, maybe maybe not. Not teams. Controllers. Controllers, survivor, leveling system for monster. Just let's make like so. Punch system and UI. This is for this guy. Okay, so we already made a leveling system. Probably we can Yeah, probably we can start making ability system. Yeah, probably. So, okay, let's go. Ability system, this is pretty, this is one of the main parts, of course, of the game. Let's go. Ability system, let's go. Ability system. Ability system, this is like main controller. Self. Turn self. Here will be a methods, probably, or not. Maybe yes, maybe we have that. Okay, later. Okay, let's make later. Ability system, of course, will be survivor. Survivor. Return self. Maybe we define all of that in these subclasses. Okay, so let's create abilities. Repeatable. Maybe default will be better. Of course, methods, function, default, use, or wait. One time, passive one time, chargeability. No, probably we create methods for each. Use, reload, upgrade. Okay, this is default. Passive. Use, reload, upgrade also. Okay. Then one time. One time use, remove. Passive one time. Use, remove also. And charge ability. Charge. Use, reload, upgrade. Like this, okay. Okay, so default. Okay, what about default abilities? We can use that, right? Okay, let's see what abilities we have at all. Let's go. Let's see. Abilities, survivor, like bye bro. Okay. So this is default. I don't know, maybe we need to separate that by categories probably. Or not, or just I need to find that. Okay, let's start with default. Let's start, yeah, with default. Church, global, let's go. Default, this is XP gain, for example. Let's create XP gain, and let's go to see how we made it before, like this. Okay, how we can call all of that by using subclasses. XP gain. Okay, let's take another one, which like X-ray. This is X-ray. This is great. X-ray. This is great. Example. Let's open from Roblox. Let's open abilities. Active ability controller. This will be X-ray. Yeah, like this one. X-ray. How do you remember all the syntax? There's not too big syntax, bro, to remember all of that. Lua not too hard, bro, to understand. If you have if you work a lot every day almost, so you probably remember all of that, like this. Do you have a PDF of all library functions of Roblox? No, bro, all in my mind, bro. Don't think I remember everything, guys. Maybe it looks like so, but no, sometimes of course I watch documentation about things I don't know. I watch tutorials also. This is normally the main skill about programming, guys. You need to understand good programmer. This is not who remembers everything, guys. Good programmer, this is the guy who knows where to find info. This is the main part of that. If you know, like, oh, I open documentation, I open developer forum, I open tutorials, you find everything very fast. Yeah, about this, what I do right now, and just I do this, like how to call replicated storage, guys. I call this in every script. Definitely, I probably remember this on the whole my life after that. So definitely some things you just make in every step, and it's very easy to remember. Okay, so the bouncing, let's remove. Maybe, guys, maybe we make oh, thanks, no problem, bro, no problem. X-ray, X-ray. So maybe can we require all childs here? Let's try. In this, let's try. Self equals require equals this, and let's make like for module in script get children do self-active abils module dot name equal to require module. I'm not sure that this works, but if this works, this is amazing, my boys. If this works, I really will be happy about that. I hope it works. To know that, oh wait, let's remove that, of course. Like in this, let's make like so. Module dot new. Okay, in this dot new will be X-ray. Also, let's make like this one X-ray. Okay, probably like this one X-ray function X-ray dot new. And print self-active abils. I wanna see what's that. If this works, it's absolutely amazing, my boys. Okay, let's call this script finally, bro. Few followers. Because I need to update my Twitch ban words, definitely. Okay. So, okay, let's call that require script parent default local def dot new Let's try. No, it doesn't call. Oh, of course, my boys, of course. This is not right. I try to call the script in replicated storage. It's a bad practice. Test 2. We need to go through game, get service, replicated storage, then services, ability system, survivor, default. Yeah, like this. Okay. Okay, my boys. That's great. That's great, my boys. So, any things I placed here, we can use. That's great. This is absolutely amazing. And this will be our subclasses. So, let me show what we can do with this one. For example, X-ray use. I want to use that. Print used X-ray. Here. If I just wanna use, I can call self-active abils, name, and use, like this one. Maybe like this. Let's try. Oh, wait. No. We probably need like add ability. Yeah. Use. Oh, wait. Of course, I forget about one things. Name. Use. Wait, of course, I don't call that. Fabil use and name X-ray, for example. X-ray. Oh, wait, what the hell? Like this. Let's try. Active abuse. X-ray. Interesting, very interesting. Time to index nil with nil. So, okay, what about in this? I probably know what's the problem. We need to wait a little bit. Self-active abuse, nil. Nil. Very interesting. Why it's not added to this one? Default new. So we create and call all and require all the modules. Maybe 5 seconds, maybe not enough time. Anyway. Oh, wait, what the hell? What the hell? I forget one important thing. What the hell? I just forget to put the column instead of dot. What the hell, really? So, great, great. Nice, used X-ray, great. This is amazing that we can do like so. This is absolutely great. Okay, so we can just put abilities inside our parent like subclasses, and we can just use that. This is great. Maybe use name use. Name use. Maybe we can do it not like so. Maybe we can even use without column here. What about this one? Like this. And used X-ray. Great. So it means that we can make just function like this. Without all these things. Right? Let's try. Return how we made that before. Let's see inside abilities. Got X-ray. Oh wait, what about this? Like active abilities, for example, X-ray. Oh yeah, wait, maybe use name, self-active abilities name. Okay, print self-abilities. What we have here? Probably I call incorrectly that. Hi, I have a question. How did you learn to program in Roblox Studio? I want to start, but I don't know where to start. Just started, bro. I just started making. I decided to make my first. I just decided to make just a video about if it's possible to make anywhere a game, and after that I tried. I just found tutorials about making tower defense in Roblox, and just started, bro. So this is the best way or not, I'm not sure, bro, but I think just you need to start making your first project, simple project like, I don't know, Obi, maybe some other simple games which you can really make, which will be simple and easy to make, and just start. And also one more thing which really helps me on my way, this is I found everything depending on my task. So for example, I need to make invisibility. Invisibility, I just find how to make invisibility for my player. Not meta tables, not a lot of stuff you don't need. Of course, I recommend you to know the basics, like how module scripts works, how scripts works, how programming works at all, because you struggle a lot if you don't know like the basics. But the basics, like not a lot of tutorials you can watch on YouTube probably, and it really helps you to understand what the hell is happening here. And after that, after learn some basics, just start making your first project. Maybe Obi with some cool mechanic. So I have good example. Like the guy who, one subscriber who was yesterday on the stream. He told like he created an Obi where you can slap others when you like passing through Obi, and they just fall down. And this is like default Obi, but you can hit other players and they fall down, and this is pretty interesting concept. And he told me like he reached 800 players, bro, just in Obi. So anyway, Obviously that doesn't mean that this is bad games or something like so. So something simple at the beginning, and then when you have more experience, maybe you realize that you can make more complicated games like so. So that's it. Scripting without ChatGPT, bro. If you want to use ChatGPT, use ChatGPT. Why not? I don't mind AI, I don't mind any tools, guys, which speed up and make easier your process. Why not, guys? I don't understand the people who tell like, oh bro, you use AI, this is so bad, or you don't use AI, this is so bad. Guys, no one cares about that. Yeah, like 1% of other developers can tell you like you're not a true programmer if you use AI. Guys, who cares? No one cares. No one cares. Your players don't care about how your game made. about these cares only the guys who think they are programmers, and really. So in my opinion, experienced programmer definitely not just judge you because you use AI or not. This is definitely, they definitely don't care, and they understand how powerful tool it is. So that's it. So if ChatGPT helps you, this is good, but be careful, guys. If you think ChatGPT this is the pill which solve all your tasks, guys, you're absolutely wrong about that. You're absolutely wrong. To use properly AI, this is my opinion, you need of course not at the simple levels, at the advanced levels. If you need to use AI, you need to have a lot of experience, because guys, when it starts to make a lot of unnecessary functions and a lot of unnecessary scripts, if you don't have a lot of experience, you even don't understand what's wrong with your scripts. I faced that every day when I use ChatGPT. I also used that sometimes, but really it starts just making a lot of unnecessary functions and a lot of unnecessary scripts, and just confuse sometimes more than helps. So use or not, this is just like you want, guys. This is just I don't mind the guys who use AI, but also don't rely a lot on that, because guys, don't forget, if you just learn everything from here, you definitely don't get strong skills, because it makes everything instead of you, fix all your bugs instead of you. Only way how this is my opinion, only way how you can really can be a professional in programming in Roblox Studio, this is only fix your own bugs. Yeah, because if AI fix bugs instead of you, you definitely won't get that experience and don't understand the problem, why it happened. So definitely, yeah, sometimes we faced tasks which really takes a lot of time, a lot of your energy, and really use AI in these cases. I definitely think this is the best way, because I did the same. But when I started, guys, AI wasn't so powerful, and that definitely really was. Sometimes I just struggle with some tasks like a month or a couple of months. This is definitely not the best way. I'm just wasting the time, because I couldn't find info on developer forum, I couldn't find tutorials, and really, when you spend 1 month to solve one bug in your game, this is not the best way. So guys, yeah, of course now it's better, and to avoid this, you definitely can use AI. So why not? What game are you working on? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. You as survivor run all over the map and collect these XP orbs, and you get the levels by using this XP. And each level you can pick 1 out of 3 random abilities, like invisibility, double jump, dash, sprint, and so on. And monster who also as player chasing you and tries to kill along 5 minutes. On the procedural generated maps, so this map when I start again, it'll look different. So that's it. As you see, now it's different, like this one. Here's not the crane, and that's it. So guys, my point, this is really just use any tools which, of course guys, don't rely every time on that, because you never be a professional if you just rely on AI always. Really, you need to probably get some skills first and really face problems first, because some hard parts of course makes you stronger, and you start to understand why it happens, how to fix that bug next time. So my boys, just use that, just not overuse AI, and really, because you can later, of course, when you have much experience, you can use AI anytime, and you understand probably how ChatGPT is bad in making complicated things. Definitely, it starts confusing you more than it helps. Of course, if you ask him, if you ask it like to make me timer, it makes timer for you. If you ask make me combat system with leveling things, or just combat system even, and I need these parameters, I need this stuff here, it starts struggling with that, and probably can start confuse you, because really a lot of times I faced it starts to make unnecessary things, a lot of unnecessary things. So that's it, my boys, that's it. So my boys, for today, that's all today. Short stream, I'm a little tired, and I have weekends next days, and probably we'll see on Friday, my boys, on Friday. So thank you all who watched, my boys, thank you all who was here, thank you all who helped, and we'll see on Friday, my boys. Bye bye.